Good afternoon, this is Elliot DeMarco from Ideal Homes International. I'm currently standing in Monte Judeu, which is just 10 minutes from Alvor, the fishing village of Alvor. Probably 10 to 15 minutes from Portugal, the largest city in the Algarve. And this is a huge house, over 700 square meters on a plot, just over 5,000 square meters. So they're doing some works here at the moment. As you can see, they're upgrading the solar panels there for the domestic hot water on the roof there. And this is the driveway down to the big garage, we'll see later. So let's go and have a look around. I'll show you this beautiful estate in Monte Judeu. This is the main entrance. So straight away you have this beautiful sweeping wooden staircase and a really high vaulted ceiling. You can have a chandelier hanging there. There's the installation point there. But so as you walk in, you've got central command buttons for all the electronic shutters, which are thermally insulated with aluminium with a thermal break to stop the heat, and they're great for complete blackout sleeping. So as we walk through the main hall into the main living area, so this is the dedicated lounge, which is huge, probably about 60 square meters, if not more. They just put in a new fireplace. They're doing some works and repainting and decorating. So they just installed a new log burner, new air conditioning units as well. So they upgraded that. So the lounge then flows to a dedicated formal dining with this beautiful big round table for 8 people. You have central vacuum system as well. There's one of the points. You plug the hose into the wall. The kitchen with a pantry off the kitchen just there. Granite top. You've got this gas range for all the machines are Cupper's Bush, German machines, very good quality. There's a dishwasher there, convection oven, microwave. There's even air conditioning in the kitchen as well as surround sound built into the ceilings. So just off the kitchen there's a guest toilet, WC. And we've come around in a circle, so here we are back in the hallway again. So I'm going to the guest wing. First of all, there's a dedicated office, and it's like a hexagonal shape. Could be an additional bedroom if you needed to, but this is the first of the suites. Again, very generous size. Lots of storage. There's no lighting. I haven't put any lighting on, and as you can see, it's I will turn the lights on in the bathroom then. So this is the suite. It's huge. You've got double vanity sinks there with a corner spa bath. Then you've got a dedicated shower, heated towel rail, bidet and toilet. They're just doing some repairs to the bidet. This is just a technical area with all the fuse boards, etc. The second bedroom here on the ground floor. So that's the old air conditioning system. They're just maintaining that, but they've installed a new system, which is the cassette split units. And again, a large ensuite, double sink, vanity sink, heated towel rail, bidet toilet, and a large walk-in shower. Go upstairs. Beautiful solid wood staircase. And the first bedroom, as we come up here, is the master bedroom. So you have a large walk-in closet, his and hers. Very generous size suite. Ensuite again with the double vanity sinks, bidet, toilet, jacuzzi spa bath, big corner one, heated towel, and then a large shower. So like the mirror of downstairs, you have this hexagonal room which they use as a TV room. An additional TV room, probably for the kids to, this large dome ceiling, AC. Again, this could be utilised as a bedroom, if you did need that many bedrooms. So these are a twin bedroom, loads of storage. This is all solid wood, all beautifully lined. So these two bedrooms are both twin rooms. All three bedrooms on the first floor share this terrace, which I'll show you in a second. And these two bedrooms share this bathroom, which is the smallest. It still has two sinks, a shower, bidet, toilet, and heated towel. So even though it's the smallest bathroom, it still has the same setup. I'll just show you the terrace because you can see the views as well. So all the patio doors have bug screens as well. So this track you see at the bottom, that's the second entrance, which is for the gardener. And that track you can go quad biking all the way up to Morgada golf course. Small countryside there to the golf course. And then this way, you're 10 minutes to Alvor. Beautiful countryside views. So all three bedrooms share this terrace, and there's a stairs that goes down to the pool. Barbecue area I'll show you after. So the roof is terracotta tiles, it's in very good condition. So you've got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms up on that level. Cutting through the lounge again. So there's the formal dining again. Kitchen directly off the dining area, and that goes straight out to the barbecue area. Easy access to the barbecue. Now we go down to the basement level. You have this huge cinema room / games room. painting repairs happening there. Even has a big log burner down here. So this is a real party room. Big projector, cinema. Again, I haven't turned any lighting on down here. But it has natural light, even though we're in the basement. This also has a bathroom here as well. Table tennis. You can even have a full-size snooker table down here, no problem. It's huge. And then you've got a two or three car garage. A little bit of a workshop here. Workshop and storage. Another storage room, they've got the bikes. It's a heated pool, so there's the pool cover for the winter. Dedicated laundry. May as well go out this way. Yeah, you probably get 4 cars in there quite easily. So there's the driveway, the main entrance, electronic gates. Show you the bottom of the garden. Again, this is over 5,000 square meters, this plot. It has its own water source, it's a borehole, so the water comes from the ground. And then it's also mains water for the house, for showering, etc. There's a heat pump in the corner there, which heats the pool. I'll just show you the grounds. Look at the house from this angle. Beautiful weeping willow tree there as well. And this is the view of the villa from here. You can see how big it is. Very peaceful here, can't hear any traffic noise. Monte Judeu is more of a residential, full-time living. They're all big estates here, large plots, very large mansions. More storage down here as well, underneath the stairs. And the pump house is there as well. There's a heat pump for the heat in the swimming pool, and there's a technical area there for the pool pumps, etc. And the pools, I think the pool is 13 by 7 meters, so it's a huge pool. You've got this canopy here for shade, for dining. Stunning villa, stunning grounds. Hope to see you in the beautiful Algarve very soon. Ciao for now.